Hi, welcome to part 6 of our video series on how to make a WordPress theme. In this video, we are going to cover how to get this admin bar back into our theme while we're logged in. In order to do that, and a lot of other things here with WordPress theme, we have to start with our header.php file. In this file, what we are going to do is we are going to add our WP head hook, and that is going to go into our head section at the very bottom just before the header closing tag. And what we're going to do is PHP WP head, and we're going to close that and save it. Now if we go back here and we refresh, you are going to see an empty space because WordPress doesn't know what's going on just yet. And then if you go to the footer file, you're going to go all the way to the bottom just before your closing body tag, and you are going to put in your WP footer hook. Okay, and we're going to save that, and we're going to go back to our blog and press refresh. Now we have our header back. This is what we're looking for. Now, if we scroll up, you'll notice the header tucks up underneath that bar. So we have to fix that. In order to do that, we will start, we can go ahead and close the footer out because we're done with that. Here, our body tag. So our body tag has a class already written into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to body, and then we're going to do some PHP tags. Go ahead and close that body tag out. And here we are going to do body class, and because we have a predefined class, we can go ahead and type in corporate, and we can go ahead and remove this and save it. Now what this does is it allows WordPress to put in its own classes for the body. One of those classes is for the admin bar. Now this isn't going to fix our problem, it's just going to allow us to fix it. And if you'll notice what it's done, if we do view page source and we go down to our body tags, WordPress put in home, blog, logged in, admin bar, no customized support, and our corporate tag, just like we asked it to. Now, you notice this admin bar, that is when the admin bar is present. So what we need to do, we can use this admin bar because if we log out, this will no longer be there, nor will logged in. So we can use this class to help us determine our style sheet, where to put our header, our fixed header, when the admin bar is present. So we're going to close that out, and we are going to go to our style.css file here for our front end, and let's find our header. Is right here. Now you see here we have page header fixed and the header class. So that's actually what we're going to target. And what we're going to do is, well, we're going to do body, and we need two classes because it's still page header fixed, but we also want the class that says the admin bar. So if we do admin bar and we call a second class, so we don't put any spaces between these, and we do page header fixed and then a space and call our header element, we're going to put in a position of fixed. We are going to put, let's see, I think it's 28 pixels, I believe. And we will go ahead and set a z-index just to be sure. Okay, we're going to save that. We're going to go back to our blog. We're going to refresh it. And if this works, yes. Okay. So we have our header. We scroll up and it no longer tucks up underneath the admin bar like it was before. And to double check, we are going to log out, which will get rid of the bar. Go back to WordPress. And that's what we're looking for. So we'll go ahead and log back in. And we are going to end this video here. In the next video, we are going to start going over the well, we're going to complete our header file. We're going to start putting or changing our paths to our CSS or style sheets. Things like this should all be what WordPress has set up for us. Instead of doing static links basically to our CSS files, we're going to do it WordPress's way. We're going to add in a few more things to such as our metadata, things like that. So stick around. Next video. That's all for this one. If you have any questions, use the comment section below and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.